Goodbye PowerPoint. Create presentations in seconds with AI magic. RIP PowerPoint. No more wasting time on design and tutorials. Here's how you can create presentations with AI in seconds. Introducing Dectopus, your on-demand free presentation generator. Use it for free at dectopus.com. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose the topic or title of your presentation. Now choose your requirement, and Dectopus will do the task for you. Step 2. Customize your presentation template easily with Dectopus. Add images/fonts, stunning videos, cool animations/colors. Create a slideshow that reflects your personality. Step 3. Share your work with a single link. Impress friends, colleagues, and audience with stunning presentations in seconds.